Hi, this is Corey, and here's an Excel training video. In this video I'm going to talk about keyboard shortcuts using the Quick Access Toolbar. A lot of us have seen the Quick Access Toolbar but haven't really used it to its full potential by implementing the keyboard shortcuts that it allows. So let's begin. First off, I want to get some data into Excel, so I'm going to go to Synchro, which is our scheduling tool, and copy those tasks over as text and do a regular paste. And now what I'm going to do is make a table. This is often the first thing that I do. Go to the home button, do format as table, pick the kind of style that I'm looking for. My table did not have headers, and there we go. So what I often find myself wanting to do is add a row to the table, and I don't necessarily like having to right click, insert, that was a column, insert table rows above, especially if I have to do multiples. It can be a pain in the butt. So what I've done is made this keyboard shortcut on my Quick Access Toolbar that I click here, or if I press the Alt button on my keyboard, I have access to all of these commands at the top of my screen. So I can press Alt 1, Alt 1, and if I could just hold the Alt button down, I can press 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and that's going to create all of these different rows in my table. So the way to go about doing that is to, anytime you find something that you want to add to this Quick Access Toolbar up top, for instance, summarize with a pivot table. If I right click, I actually already did this in a previous video, is right click, add to Quick Access Toolbar, and now I have this button at the top of my screen. So if I wanted to access it, I can obviously just click on it, or if I hit Alt, the keyboard shortcut is 04. Alt 04 is now going to create my pivot table. Excellent. So another thing that we often find ourselves wanting to do is copy and paste values. So if I was to do a concatenate formula, for instance, which is how you add text strings together. So I can concatenate this text, and this text. We can see what that is. So now if I was to just do a standard copy over here, it's not going to get me the exact thing that I'm looking for. What I need to do is right click and do a paste values, and now that's going to come down. So in order to get that in my Quick Access Toolbar, so I have easy access to my paste values function, what I can do is right click on the Quick Access Toolbar and say customize that quick access, and now I'm going to go to all commands. I type P on my keyboard to get down to the P's, and now scroll down to paste values. To get it over on this side, I hit add, and if I was to add it at the end here, I have to do like Alt 02. But since this is something that I use frequently, I click this up arrow several times and get it right in row for number 2. So now I have this thing copied, and I can just click up here, or hit Alt 2. Alt 2, and I can just go down, Alt 2, copy it again, Alt 2, down, Alt 2, select multiple things, Alt 2, you get the idea. So that is how you can create almost any keyboard shortcut for any command that you have in Excel or many other Windows programs. Hope this is helpful, and have a great day.